Hi, in the course Beginner's Charting, we will discuss technical analysis. Now, we will discuss in this chapter how history repeats itself. Now, if you look around, you will see everything repeats. Example, your son. He has the same genes that you already have. And if you will see, he repeats things that you have already done. Basically, he gets it through your genes. The same way, technical analysts or chartists believe that investors individually and then collectively repeat or follow the behavior of the investors that preceded them. This means that they are basically following the history. They don't know that they are following it, but they are. And it's not about one person or the whole group of people. Everyone is basically following the history. Now you might feel like it's not possible, but as you will go into technical analysis or chartism, you'll find that people do follow. Now, to be a chartist, the emotions in the market may be irrational. That is, they are like irrational, but they exist because investor behavior repeats itself so often that chartists or technicians believe that recognizable price patterns always develop on the chart. It's like you're seeing the same things happen again and again. Either it's 50 years ago or today. It happens. Now, recognition of these patterns can allow the technician or chartist to select trades that have a higher probability of success. Example, in the history, let's say 10 years ago, if X or Y things had happened, the price of the stock had increased, let's say 30%. So there is a higher probability that this time around, when the same things have been repeated on the chart, the price will go higher. That is the same percentage rate that we discussed now. Now you might be thinking, why do histories repeat? Because basically a person or man doesn't learn from his mistake. He usually follows the same step. Just look at the history. You'll find Napoleon, you'll find Hitler. They were both not part of the same time frame, but they did repeat the history. Why? Because that's what happens. Just look at your own thinking. Once you are taking a decision, your mind will show you historical events. Example, cars. If you're buying a car, your mind might show you that the last car had an engine problem. So you might be looking into the engine of the new car. Why? Because that's what history repeats stuff is. Because historically you know that this has happened to you. So that's why you're checking the engine. Thank you.